Okay, seriously, it's like literally 4 a.m. in the morning, and starting to hear some things going on in there, and I don't know what's going on because I'm starting to hear some like strange noises coming from the basement, and I don't know what it is. Hey, God, who's there? Dude, I am freaking scared. Maybe I can use light. Hello? Who the hell's that? I really don't want to go to that door right now. This is so scary, like one of those analog horror series I tend to watch on. But Jesus Christ. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but I think I have a ghost in this basement, but I just don't know who keeps making that noise. I'm going back to bed.